Welcome to the Ranking Factory software setup. We're starting off with Toolbox, and these are all your tools. We'll come across and click on HTML Creator. By default, it shows up in Cloud Stacker. Then we come down to the second menu tab and click on Cloud Accounts. And this tutorial is for setting up GitHub, and it's cake and pie. So we open a browser and we'll go to github.com, and if you already have an account, you click sign in. If not, you're going to create an account and just fill in your details here and sign up. Once you're signed into GitHub, it's very simple. Their buckets are called repositories. So you just click on the green button here and create a new repository or new bucket and give your repository a name. And if you want, you can use this as a description. You don't need to add a description, and you want to keep it public and create repository. So we go back to Ranking Factory software setup and add the username and password or email address and password associated with GitHub, and add the name of the repository that we created, and then click Add GitHub Account. And that's it for this one. That wraps up this tutorial.